In this video, we will show you how to mass delete emails on Outlook. To mass delete email on Outlook, it's very easy, and we suggest you to using Microsoft Outlook on the desktop version. Because if you're using web version, the interface not easier like on the desktop version. In here, for example, the view is like this. You can drag here to better view. Okay, you can make it bigger. After it's enough, you can just select the others. For example, we will to delete all of this email on the other step. Okay, to delete here, we can just click select. Okay, now you can see there is checkbox here. You can click this. Now you can see you can delete all these emails with just empty other. Okay, if you want just to delete all. Also, you can using this button, using empty others. How if you want to delete on the other tab like focus, just select focus and select all here and then tick here, and you can see now it's become empty focus, or you can just select empty focus. Okay, let's see if we delete all the emails what happen. Okay, we will tick this and we can just select empty others. Just click delete all. Now, very easy how you can mass delete emails on Microsoft Outlook. And once again, we suggest you to delete mass email. We recommend using the desktop version of Outlook rather than using the web page, because on the desktop version, it's easier to manage the emails or to delete the emails. Okay, that's all tutorial how to mass delete emails on Outlook. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.